How to get a refund on McDonald's app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started. So the first step would be to open up your McDonald's app. If you don't have this app, you can go ahead and get it through the App Store. Now once you open it, you'll land in McDonald's homepage. Here in the navigation bar, simply tap on the three dot at the bottom right corner. From here, simply tap on Support and Help. Now inside this page, you'll find Contact Us under How May We Help You. Tap onto it. Now once the contact page is open, you'll have to go ahead and provide all of the necessary details like your full name, email, phone number, or any specific of the problem for efficient communication. And then type your query that you want to get a refund for this order. And then click on Submit. Now once it is done, you'll have to wait for 24 to 48 hours to resolve your issue. So by following these steps, you can get a refund on the McDonald's app smoothly. So that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.